It is a beautiful sunny day in Texas, and we are enjoying some time out on our patio with our new toy from Grandma, which is a bubble lawnmower. Truman, you gonna push your mower? Push your mower. Come on. Show Grandma how it works. No? You get the doggies? Get the doggies. Izzy loves Truman. I don't think that's how you work it, Truman. And this is why we need new bubbles already. We refilled with dish soap because we went through a whole thing of bubbles yesterday. Can you show Grandma how it works? Good job. Unfortunately, it doesn't bubble very well. But he likes it. He likes his lawnmower. Mow the lawn? Okay. Thank you, Grandma. Truman. T, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.